In this tutorial, I'll show you how to scale control with geometry nodes. Here are the full nodes. The base mesh is a subdivided plane, and I'm instancing a cone on its vertices. This scale method is unique, because it uses a color ramp node to control a separated gradient value. That gradient texture node can be any other texture nodes, and they will also create very interesting effects. Since the radial gradient texture was combined and separated on the x-axis, we can control its effect by using the color ramp node. Other gradient types will also create interesting results. Combining and separating the axes will only work when they match. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.